This is a story that I have never told. I gotta get this off my chest to let it go. I need to take back the light inside you stole. You're a criminal, and you steal like you're a pro. 'Cause all the pain and the truth I wear like a battle wound. So ashamed and confused, I am broken and bruised. But now I'm a warrior. Now I've got thicker skin. I'm a warrior. I'm stronger than I've ever been. And my armor is made of steel. You can't get in. I'm a warrior, and you can never hurt me again. Out of the ashes, I'm burning like a fire. You can save your apologies, you're nothing but a liar. I've got shame, I've got scars that I will never show. I'm a survivor in more ways than you know. 'Cause all the pain and the truth I wear like a battle wound. So ashamed, so confused, I'm not broken or bruised. But now I'm a warrior. Now I've got thicker skin. I'm a warrior. I'm stronger than I've ever been. And my armor is made of steel. You can't get in. I'm a warrior, and you can never hurt. Is a part of me I can't get back. A little girl grew up too fast. All it took was once. I'll never be the same. Now I'm taking back my life today. There's nothing left that you can say, 'cause you were never gonna take the blame anyway. But now I'm a warrior. Now I've got thicker skin. I'm a warrior, and I'm stronger than I've ever been. And my armor is made of steel. You can't get in. I'm a warrior, and you can never hurt me again. No, yeah. And you can never hurt me again.
Well done, Molly. Louise, what do you think of Molly's performance?
Molly, I think you've got such a sweet, lovely voice, and you know, melodically it was all in key and it was in tune. It was a nice vocal. I like that you pushed yourself, because we have been asking you to do that. However, I don't think it was the right song for you. I think you can push yourself, but within keeping with, like, similar to what you've done the previous weeks, in keeping with yourself as an artist. I think this was well away from what is you, and where your strength lies. Your placement on your high notes is quite off. You tend to go for your high notes with the wrong placement, which causes it to go quite nasally. So definitely work on that. You know, you can ask me for advice on that, and I'll give you some hints and tips with regard to that. But yeah, I mean, I like the fact that you put in the light and shade. You know, you gave us a bit of dynamics in it, but overall I think it was the wrong song for you. So I want to see you come back next week and bring Molly back, not Molly trying something new. We want you to try something new, but not completely away from what you're good at. So nice performance, well done, and I look forward to seeing what you do next week.
Kelly?
Yeah, I love the storytelling aspect of that song. You really sort of you went really subtle on some of the notes, and that just added a vulnerability to it. I really liked the emotion behind that. And your lower register, we got to see little parts of that, but your lower register is really beautiful, and I think that you need to explore that a little bit more and take on songs that maybe showcase that off more than that song actually did. I think your breath control was a little bit off as well during that performance. I'm not sure if it's because you were away from the piano this week, so maybe your confidence was a little bit knocked, or maybe you weren't as comfortable as you are with the piano. But there was something about this performance that it wasn't on par with your previous performances. I'm not quite sure what that was, but I've really liked the fact that you've taken on these unique song choices previously and done something different with them, and I feel it was lacking from this performance. It doesn't take away from the fact that you've got a beautiful voice and you sang it beautifully. I just think that, like Louise said, we need a little bit more of Molly next time, because that'll just show your growth, and it'll help us, figure out where you're going and what you want to achieve.
Yeah, Molly, I've been really, really excited watching you the last 2 weeks, and I've been really excited about what you're bringing to the table. And like I said last week in the comments, I cannot believe how much you've come on, and I really believe that at that point that was your lane. And I get that you don't want to be stuck behind the piano all the time and that, but it is a competition and you've got to be at your best. And last week I think you had pretty much awesome comments across the board. So whatever you've done in that performance last week to make you have them comments, that's what you should have been doing for this round and throughout the rest of it. Because obviously this process gets more difficult as it goes along, because people have to leave and things like that. The minute the song started, I knew in my gut it was the wrong song for you as a vocalist, because this song is quite technical in places, and your voice isn't ready for that sort of thing yet. And I'm aware of that, but like I said, obviously you were learning. It's alright to make mistakes, it's alright to try things, and that sort of stuff. But it is a competition, and it's a strong competition, and you've got to be bringing it week in, week out. We don't want any performances that are not as good as previous weeks. We want to be getting better and better and better. So what you need to do from next week onwards is you come back with a bang, with Molly. Alright? But well done on taking a challenge on this song, and I look forward to seeing what you do next.